Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Saroj and this is my English learning journey. In my last video, I introduced myself and today I will share how I practice English every day. If you are also learning English, this video will help you. Now I will talk about why I practice daily. Earlier, I used to study English sometimes, but I wasn't consistent. Now, I try to practice English every day, even if it is just for 15 to 20 minutes. Consistency is more important than perfection. Now I'll talk about my daily routine. First, I start my day by reading something in English. It can be a simple article, message, or a post. I usually try to read 2 or 3 paragraphs on daily basis in morning. Second, I try to speak in English. Sometimes I talk to myself. Yes, it may sound funny, but it really helps. Usually I speak about my daily routine, my work, or my plans. Third, I listen to English. I watch videos or listen podcast that help me to understand pronunciation and sentence structure. Normally, I try to listen podcast on YouTube or another platform also. If you also like to watch or listen podcast, you can go with BBC podcast. It's very helpful. Fourth, I learn new words, but I don't memorize them. I try to use those words with sentences. For example, if I learn new words, I will make 2 or 3 sentences using those words. Now I'll talk about my biggest challenge. One challenge I still face is hesitation. I know what to say, but I feel nervous. But I remind myself mistakes are okay because mistakes are part of learning. The more I speak, the more confident I become. If you are also learning, don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking today. Practice daily, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, it will help you to achieve what you want to be, or what you want to be in your education, in your higher growth, in your corporate environment, whatever. It will always help you to grow. Thank you for watching my video. I will come back with another video by next Sunday. Thank you.